It usually starts in the mirror when you begin to notice. Your skin doesn't have that same youthfulness it once had. The lines on your forehead begin to form permanent creases, and the color under your eyes is a little darker. This is the reality of aging. We grow up and we don't look quite the same, but all this is only on the outside. Beneath the surface, your body is aging too, and sleep loss can speed up the process. Insufficient sleep means that you get less than the 7 hours of nightly sleep that the American Academy of Sleep Medicine recommends for adults. People in the study were allowed only 4 hours of sleep from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. This type of sleep restriction is actually the most common form of sleep deprivation. Long work hours may prevent us from getting the sleep we need, or we simply stay up too late at night, failing to make sleep a top priority. During the stage of deep sleep, the pituitary gland in our brain secretes growth hormones. Continuous night sleep is actually one of the few times in the day in which this growth hormone is secreted in adults. And this hormone has great importance in keeping various body tissues and their renewal, including the skin tissue. Prolonged lack of sleep is clearly evident on the face and accelerates aging, as well as causes many other pathological processes. Depression. Prolonged feelings of sadness and hopelessness were found to cause the shortening of telomere structures located in all the cells in our body that affect, among other things, the lifespan of the cell. Depression also causes an increase in stress hormones and is often accompanied by personal neglect, sleep disorders, and poor nutrition, things that also accelerate the aging process. Stress. Prolonged emotional stress causes increased secretion of stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. These stress hormones accelerate various aging processes that include suppression of normal synthesis of connective tissue. Characteristic obesity of the face, along with osteoporotic processes that damage bone density and cause changes in bone structure. Water. But there is no denying that the aging process doesn't only reflect in our skin. It also reflects in our body and the way it functions. Every organ and system in our body needs water to regulate body temperature, flush out toxins, aid digestion, and carry nutrients to our cells. The cells of our skin also depend on water to better function and repair damage, so drink water, if not for your skin, then for your general health.